What's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to use the automatic coffee grinder in the Ninja Luxe Café. And in the previous video I showed you how to choose and change your basket size for your portafilter. So now you should be ready to start grinding your coffee beans. So before I put this in here, the first step is going to be to grab this, which is on the side, which is really convenient. And just like the baskets, they fit in to grooves and it just snaps on. And from this point, you literally just slide that in there just like that. There's no screwing, no actual snapping. It's just sitting in these rails right here. And then you want to turn on your Ninja Luxe Café. And most, at least I thought this was the power button. The power button is actually right here. So you press that. It's going to think for a second, and what this is doing is it's detecting the bean size that you have in here, and then it's going to recommend a grind size. So it's recommending 17. I have it set to 19. So on the side is an adjustment wheel, so you adjust that, and now we're at 17, and it'll say start grind. And it is now complete grinding the fresh beans into the grounds. You're ready to pull this out. And then this espresso machine comes with a tamper. Put it in there and just press it down a couple of times is all that's needed. Put that back on the side. If you look, we have perfectly compacted coffee grounds and we are ready to make our first espresso shot. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to make your first cup of coffee. Be sure to follow and watch the next video.